What's up, guys? Mario here with your outdoor adventures. I just realized I have not done a video of the camper during the day yet, so I thought I'd do a quick walkthrough real fast. Now you'll see the slack right here on this, and I'll explain that here momentarily. And so coming along here, we're going to end up replacing that mat. That mat keeps tearing off. This is the shade that needs to be, or the one panel that needs to either be stitched or replaced. And then inside, so you guys can see what it looks like with some light in here as well. So this side has the king size. It's got a 6-inch, but we're going to go down to 3-inch because I don't think a 6 will close. But that's got the gel pad, and then we've got the twin XL gel pad on this side. And then we've got a twin XL gel pad on this one for the granddaughter. And then the roof is going to have to be replaced eventually. We know this already. Dealing with it for this season. That we got it for $800, so I got no complaints. But you can see right here where the wet wood is, and so we know we're getting leakage, and obviously the stains are showing that. But it is not dripping into the camper yet, so that's a good thing. And then the flooring, we just did the padded matting, and then we threw some placement carpets down, and it's coming along nicely. So for $800 off season, we could not go wrong. I definitely would not expect to find one for $800 during camping season. But thank you guys for checking out the video, and we will see you guys outside.